Today we have a parcel from Amazon. Let's unbox it. It's pretty heavy actually. I guess it weighs around 5 kgs or something. Yeah. This is our parcel, which is from Bosch. I guess you guys can see it now. So this is a toolbox. I mean, actually, 132 piece toolbox from Bosch, which I'm gonna use it for my car and other works. It can be also used for bikes since because as you can see, I will close it up a bit. This one has two ratchets and combination spanners, Allen keys, screwdriver bits, a small screwdriver here, and different sockets. We have half-inch socket for the bigger sprocket and quarter-inch socket for the smaller ratchet. I mean, did I say this socket? This is ratchet. Yeah. So let's see how does it. I mean, it's bit jiggling. I guess it's all around the box. So this is the package. So yeah, here they have mentioned what all the items we have here. So I will just show you around. So we have 10 hex keys, 10 combination wrenches, which means spanners, and half-inch socket and their accessories, half-inch drive ratchet, yeah, which I mentioned earlier, and a bit screwdriver, which is the smaller one. Then 25 bits, storage. This is the storage, and this is the quarter-inch ratchet and a socket for quarter-inch and with their accessories, and few 20 to 50 bits. Let's see what there. So the package is pretty good and box is very sturdy. So this is sealed from this side, like this. I guess it says advanced hand tool set 132 piece, blah blah blah, and their codes something. This is like a just genuinity seal. Yeah, that's it. Let's remove this and unbox it, because when I open this latch, I'm not able to open it. Since we have this one, I guess I need to cut this here. I'm taking my keys and I guess I will see whether I can peel it off neatly. Yeah, I guess I can. Very satisfactory sound. I'll just paste it somewhere, maybe on this side above the box. Yeah. Yeah, it looks good. Here it is. Oh, yeah, as I said, everything is out of the place. I mean, now you can see it properly, I guess. Yeah. So I will just reorder it. I mean, place it wherever it's supposed to be, and I will continue the video and I will explain what are the things all there. So this is the organized complete set. As you can see, we have all the items which are supposed to be present and which is present. So let's start from this side. So we have all the spanner bits. So yeah, this is the half-inch ratchet, I mean half-inch socket ratchet. These are its half-inch bits. So this starts from 24. Okay, So this is 24 and we have 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15 and up until 14. This looks very and sturdy, and this is also a bit heavy. Yeah, I mean it shows the quality of the Bosch. So these are half-inch sockets and this is half-inch ratchet. So let's place it. Then we have the smaller ratchet which is 1/4 inch. It works flawlessly. I mean, I haven't tested it, but as you can see the quality is really good. I have the one with Stanley earlier and it is also nice, and this one is, I guess, pretty same, I mean in a good quality, and these are their 1/4 inch bits. So this starts from 5 mm. Yeah. And we have 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 11 and 12, and this one is 13. Yeah, from 5 till the 13. The quality is really good. The ratchet is also good. We have a good grip, and this is not that heavy. We can work on the smaller trim parts and also on the bike with this. Let me press it. Then we have the extension rod. It also works as T. Since this one is movable, this can be used as a T and also as a extension rod. And this is, I don't know what it is called, but helps to get into tighter places. A smaller extension, and these are for half-inch drives. And we have 2 spark plug openers, I mean spark plug sockets. I guess this is the smaller one, this is for the bikes, and this is a bigger one for the cars. I have to test it. This is 21 and this is 16. And what else? And these are the extensions for the 1/4 inch sockets, a smaller one and a bit more smaller than this, and this one, the bend. I don't know what is this. I haven't seen this. I don't know, and I guess this is some kind of special tool. There is some kind of ring going around. We have to see. And we have the another thing which is a bit difficult to open. Let me try. We can open it from this side. Yeah, this is the screwdriver. So we have all kinds of bits for this. So this is actually magnetic one, and these are not magnetic. So when we place it here, it snaps it into it. So very sturdy magnet. It holds very tight. I'm not able to open this. Finally got out. The magnet is pretty strong. So we have different bits for that, and we have different Allen keys for this. This fits all of this. So these Allen keys also can be mounted to the screwdriver. Yeah, this is the back side. Yeah, like this. Very snug fit. Different Allen keys. Okay, then yeah, this is all we have on this side. let us move to the other side and see what all the things we have there. So major things, we have the combination spanners here. Let's start from the bigger one. This is the 19-inch. This is chrome vanadium, and I guess very sturdy one too. We have the labelings here, and this one is, this side is open ended, and this one is ring spanner. Yeah, pretty useful. Both are on the same size. So we have the bigger one of 19, and it goes up until the smaller one 6. I guess you can see it, very small, but yeah, very sturdy. So next to that we have these hex Allen keys. I mean, of different sizes. I don't know whether they have mentioned the size. Yeah, we have it. This is 10 mm. It is open like this. We just need to pull it up. We have the sizes, and up until, let's see what size it is. I guess I need to just move this around. Oh, I'm not able to see anything written on this. This is very small. I don't know where it will be useful. Yeah, we have different sizes of it. Very useful. And all these products are a bit, what I say, cleanly protected. I guess they have sprayed something like that. It feels a bit oily. And we have this extended sockets. I don't know what it is called, but we have around, I'll just count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 of them. I'll just show you around of different things. And I guess this one is Allen key. Yeah, that's it. That's the pretty much we have, which comes up to this, which is, as you can see, 132 pieces, very robust and durable, as you say. And we also have a 10-year guarantee from the Bosch. I guess we need to register that. I will see how it is done. I don't know how it works. Yeah, that's it pretty much. The box is really hefty. I can't lift it. No. And we have all the specification mentioned. I mean, all the things we have inside, this is mentioned here. Yeah, all these things. Yeah. I can say, I will see whether we have any torque mentioned for the ratchets. No, they have just given the angles, which is 5-inch working angle, and it is 50% over the standard torque. That's it, they have mentioned, nothing else. All things are chrome vanadium, hex shaped for these sockets, and yeah, chrome vanadium. That's it. We have this one, magnetic bit holders, which is for the screwdriver. So that's it. Thank you.